All right, number 7 right here. What's the square root of 4? That one's already a special number. How much is it? Come on, guys. 2. Thank you. All right, 243. So do you have your calculators ready to go? All right, let's remember our perfect squares. What was our first perfect square? 1. What's our next perfect square? 4. What's the next one? Come on, guys. 9. What's the next one? 16. Come on, everybody, let's go. 25. Everybody. 36. Everybody, let's go. Yep. 64. Yep. 81. Even very good. 100. One more. There you go. All right, 243. Which one do you want to pick to divide 243? If it's wrong, who cares? We'll pick another one. Which one? 81? There you go. 81. See how it divides evenly? So how do I rewrite this? 81. Because I can't change 243 times 3. There you go. All right, the whole reason I did that is because now what number can come out? 81 comes out as what? 9. There you go. All right, 605. Which one you want to pick? If it's wrong, who cares? We'll pick another one. Pick one. Let's go. Get off your phone before I take it. Last warning.
Blackman.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please send Kaylee Lusk to the auditorium?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, which one you want to pick? 121? Oh, look at there. All right, so how do I rewrite this? Very good, very good. And the whole reason I do that is because now, Maddie, what can 121 come out as? 11. Very good. All right, what do we have? 338? Which one you want to pick for 338? Guys, it's okay. If it's wrong, we'll just pick another one. It's not a big deal. Just pick a number. 169? You are picking the right ones, aren't you? Yep. All right, so how do I rewrite this? Reagan, tell me how to rewrite this.
169
times 2. Perfect. So then, Evan, what's 169 come out as? 13. Yep, you're right. Perfect. All right, we got 2 more. 150. What perfect square goes into 150? Will Connor pick one? Which one of those numbers do you want to pick to divide? 25? There you go. So, Mario, how do I rewrite 150? Times how much? What was it divided? What did it give you? Divide in your calculator. What's it give you? 6. There you go. All right, so Kennedy, I do that because 25 comes out as what number now? 5. Perfect. Very good. All right, last one, 24. Brittany, which one do you want to pick to divide 24 by? 4. Okay. And it fits. Very good. All right, Bailey, how do I rewrite 24 then? Perfect. And even I do that so that 4 comes out as what number? 2. There you go. Anybody lost? Y'all okay? Okay, when's your math workshop test? What day? Next week. Come on, we've only been talking about it for 3 days now. Monday. Very good. It is Monday of next week. What do you have happening on Friday of this week? Besides a pep rally and a homecoming? And a game. It's kind of given. And we'll just waste time and you'll have more homework the longer I sit here and wait on y'all. What's happening on Friday? I just said it 10 minutes ago. A quiz, Kennedy. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right, here we go. So we are on homework, page 11. So grab that real quick. And I'm going to walk around and see what we got going on with that. And then we're going to go over it real quick. And then we're going to do a checkpoint real quick. Then we're going to finish up some stuff and we'll call it a day. All right, so page 11. Have it out. Page 11.
At this time, all brass players for the band need to go to the band room at this time for the brass players clinic. At this time, all band members for the brass players clinic go to the band room. Thank you.
looks like we need to take a minute and get our life together and get our homework done, like for more than half of it. So I'm sorry about the ones that actually did your homework, but you have 3 minutes to start your homework. That is absolutely ridiculous. Y'all are in 11th grade, guys. 40 whole problems. Sorry for the ones that are doing it, that did your homework. Let me be old, y'all. First one would have been the easiest one to solve. And the line is already by itself unless you would have been missing. You should have subtracted 3x. Alright, so let's listen up real quick. I understand that most of you work at night, right? Well, most of you work. You have a wonderful opportunity at Thompson called 0 period. That's what it was made for. And I think I had 2 people this morning that came in and actually utilized it. If you work at night, that means you get up in the morning and you come to school for 0 period and get your homework done. Okay? That makes sense? Okay? I didn't usually yell at the ones that already had their homework done. I'm sorry. But there was over half of y'all that didn't do your homework. Now, come on. Not 11th grade. What happens when you get a job and you don't do what your boss asks you to do? Like if your boss tells you to write a report and you don't bring it in the next day, you think you're going to have a job very long? No. Okay? School is not only about sitting here and learning stuff, guys. It's also about doing life lessons, okay? So treat it like you're almost an adult if you want to be treated like one. Come on now. Are y'all ready? All right. So, Chandra, what'd you do first? What'd you get for when you solved this one for y, the top one? Yeah. Perfect. Very good job, Chandra. Very good. All right, if you got it wrong, fix it, okay? The whole point of doing homework is so that you can fix things and you can understand what to do for your quiz Wednesday or Friday, okay? All right, Evan, what'd you get when you solved the bottom one for y? Should be 2x plus 3. Yeah. Yeah, okay. That's okay. All right, so we're going to go up 2 and right 1 or down 2 and left 1. All right, now look, a lot of you are just graphing it. You're forgetting to tell me what this was called. What was it called when they met at one point like that? Consistent and independent. Beautiful. All right, and on the ACT, you're going to need to give me this point right here of solution. That point where they cross is where they're both equal. So what's that point of solution? Yeah? What was the second one? Perfect, Jenna. Very good. And Chandra, very good job, guys. Very nice. All right, Alex, what'd you get when you solved this first one for y? Perfect, perfect. So my y-intercept here is how much, anybody? 0. There you go. See, y'all make me so mad because y'all are so stinking smart, but sometimes we're just a little lazy. So smart. Got to live up to that potential. All right, Eamon, what'd you get when you solved the second one for y?
Y equals 4/6 and 2.
Plus or minus 2. Perfect. Very good job. Do you have to reduce the 4/6? Do you have to? You can, right, Jenna? So if you reduced it, so even you'll get the same picture we do, okay? You just have less dots. So if you reduced it, though, you should have gotten 2/3x minus 2, which means we'll just get more dots. All right, so these are going to be parallel. And what do we call them if they're parallel? Inconsistent. Evan, very good. Y'all okay? Guys, you have to master this stuff because when we move on to 3 variables, it's going to be kind of hard if you don't know how to do this. Everybody okay? Yeah? All right. Okay, next week's it, guys. We got to have everything done by next week. All right, substitution. When we do graphing, we got to get y by itself, but when we do substitution, we need to get anything by itself, okay? Do you see this guy right here? How he's almost by himself? What do I need to move away from him? 3x. How do I do that? All right, so you should have gotten y equals negative 3x plus 7. And we're going to substitute that y for what? What's it equal? There you go. Very good. All right, then we're going to distribute. All right, so we get 4x minus 6x plus 14 equals 16. All right, then what do I do to these two guys right here? Very good. You're just going to say 4 minus 6, which is negative 2. Subtract 14. What are you going to get? What's 16 minus 14? 2. There you go. Divide. And x equals negative 1. But don't circle it because it's not your answer. Because you got to figure out where they cross. You're trying to figure out, you're doing the same exact thing, but you're just going to find where that point is right there. So I have my x value. Now I got to find my y value. You have 3 options, guys. You can either do this one, you can do the bottom one, or you can do the one where you solve for y. It doesn't matter. Which one's the easiest? There you go, Jenna. Very good. So y equals negative 3 times negative 1 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. So what's your answer? Perfect. Y'all okay? You still gonna see this stuff at the okay? Are y'all good? Yeah? No? Okay, here we go. We're gonna finish what we were on page 3 the other day. Gotta finish number 4, I think it was. Whatever problem that was. Yeah, page 3. We gotta finish up number 4. Okay, so we found B. Now what do we have to do? We got to plug it back in and find A. Chandra, very good. So we got A equals 3 times, but I'm not going to put B. What did we find out B was? 6. Put up that phone. Come on, make something of your life. Become somebody. All right, 6 times 3 was 18, right? What's 18 minus 22? Perfect. So my answer Guys, how do you know which A and B? Who cares? How do I know which one's which? Perfect. Alphabetical order. -4 is the A, and 6 is the B. It's just alphabetical order. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You all okay? All right, let's take a few minutes, and let's do a checkpoint real quick. So we are all good to go, and then we will do a new thing for today. All right, number 1. Tell me what the name is too, okay? All right, number 1. Tell me that point where they cross. What you get in graph? And tell me the name, okay? Point where they cross and the name. more minutes. You're still working. 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. One's correct, but you have to point it across. Okay. Just tell me that. Huh? I haven't looked at it yet. Check 15 numbers. Just tell me the coordinates of the point, the x value and the y value. Okay, right there. The x value and the y value. The y value doesn't go up to. What's the y value? Follow it back over to the y-axis. What's the y value? Check. Your y value is right. That was right. But when you plugged it back in over here, you messed a sign up, which got your x value wrong. Okay. And that's your y value. It should go right here. The y. Just fix that x out. Two minutes left, and we're going to go on. 2 minutes. Subtracting what's negative 22 minus 18. Okay, negative 8 and negative 8 is a positive 8. So you're not going to add it again to get rid of it. What would you do? No. Well, what is that? That's not x. That's y. We're plugging into the easiest one. Which one's going to be the easiest question? I think the one where it's all together. Perfect. Okay. Answer. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to start an elimination. If you're not finished, hold on to it real quick. Alright guys, we're going to do elimination. You ready? We're on page 4. Put up your checkpoints real quick. If we have time, you can do them in just a minute. We've got to do these 2 problems right here. So we're on page 4. Page 4. Hold on to your checkpoint for a minute. Page 4. Okay, make yourself a note. You ready? Let's remember about graphing. Graphing, what was the note we made ourselves? What letter had to be by itself? Y had to be by itself, right? Then substitution, we made ourselves a note. what did we say? Any letter had to be by itself. Elimination, you ready for your note on this one? Same number with the same letter. Same number with same letter. Just write that down. All right, here we go. Let's look at M. What two numbers are with M? 7 and 1. Are those the same numbers? Are y'all all with me? Because I'm going over this. Okay, are those the same numbers? No, they have the same letter, but they're not the same number. All right, so we have 1 and 2. Those have the same letter, but do they have the same number? No, so we're going to have to make something be the same. It doesn't matter what letter. Which letter do y'all want to deal with, the M's or the N's? The M? Okay. All right, so we need to make 1 and 7 become the same, which means I have to multiply that 1 by what number? 7. Now, when you do that, you have to multiply every single thing in that equation by 7. So we're going to multiply the -9, the -1, and the +1. Because I need to get these M's to be the same number. Or I could get the N's, but y'all pick the M's. To be 7M minus 7N is equal to -63. And I didn't do anything to the bottom, so I'm just going to bring him over. See, because now, do you have the same number with the same letter? Yeah, you got the 7's, right? Okay, the word is eliminate. How do I make the 7's completely go away? Eliminate them. Now, by dividing, because dividing would make them become 1. How do I make them completely go away? Subtract, Sierra. Very good. 7 minus 7 makes them go away. You can't just cancel them out. You have to tell me how you cancel them out. So 7 minus 7 is 0. Now, be careful. Type your calculator. -7 minus 2. -9n. Very good. All right, same thing here. -63 minus 9. -72, Maddie. Very good. And then you're going to divide by -9, and you have your n. How much is that? +8. Yep. But I'm not finished, right? Going to do the same thing. You can either plug into the first one, into the second one, or into the one where you multiplied. It doesn't matter. The easiest one's the first one, right? So we have M minus 8 equals -9. And then we add 8, and we're done. All right, then you do alphabetical order. M comes first in the alphabet. Perfect. Are y'all okay? Yes? No? Okay. All right, here we go. Let's look at the next one. Number 2. What two numbers are with X? 2 and 3. And what two numbers are with Y? 4 and 6. -6, right? All right, now, they're not the same numbers, so I got to make one be the same. It doesn't matter which one you pick, but I would probably pick the X's. Why would I probably pick the X's? Because they're smaller, right? They're smaller. They're smaller. Because the 4 and the 6 are going to give you gigantic numbers, right? So what number does 2 and 3 both go into? 6. So I need to multiply the 2 by what to be 6? 3. And we'll worry about signs in a minute, okay? And then I need to multiply the 3 by what to be 6? 2, yep. Now here's the deal. You just got to be careful. You got to multiply the whole top equation by 3 and the whole bottom equation by 2. Okay with that? All right. So, how do I make these 6's eliminate? You subtract them, right? What would happen if I were to add in this case? What would happen if I were to add? There you go. So if we subtract, we're going to eliminate the 6's, okay? 6 minus 6 is 0. All right, so be careful. What's 12 minus negative 12? 24y. And then what's 54 minus 6? How much? 48. Very good. And then divide. Y equals 2. Perfect. You have 4 options. It doesn't matter. You can plug into one of the original 2 or the 2 where you multiplied. They'll all give you the same thing. But which one do you think will be easier? The first one? Like this 2x plus 4y? Okay. All right. So 2x plus 4, but I'm not going to put y. I'm going to put 2 equals 18. You could use the bottom one if you wanted to. You get the same final answer. 5. Yep, very good.
So if you do add, you just did the same thing.
Your work will be different, but you'll still get 5 as your answer. Yep. All right, order pair. What you got? 5 and 2. Perfect. Are y'all okay? Anybody lost? Alrighty. So, got a quiz on Friday. We're going to finish this up tomorrow. We're going to review tomorrow. But right now, we have a couple of people that still have checkpoints that need to be finished up. So y'all finish up your checkpoints. And we won't have homework tonight, okay? No homework tonight.